Okay. So now it is clear, right? Voice is clear?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are discussing about access modifier. In Java, how many access modifiers are there? 4. What is default? Default means any variable, any method you can access within a class, again within a package, right? Outside a package, you can't access default. There is a one more that is called private. What is this private? Private you can access only and only within a class. There is a one more access modifier that is called public. When you talk about public, public means you guys can access this information like any variable method, whatever it is, everywhere in the project, correct? So we can access everywhere in the project. Now there is a one more, protected. See, as I told you, protected part we will discuss in inheritance topic, right? What is meant by protected? Protected value you can access within a class. Okay, remember the rule. Within a package. And when you want to call outside the package, you can call, only with a subclass. What is the rule? Outside a package also you can call this information, but only with a subclass. Remember. So you can call this protected information outside a package only with a subclass. Now today, let me explain this topic. Just a minute. Done. So let me explain today's this topic, right? Protected. What is a protected access modifier in Java? So guys, I will be creating new class. Let me create a new class. Done. And here I'm just writing a same name, protected, protected what? Access modifier. Let me write protected AM, right? And I'm going to create a main function also. Let me do one thing. Let me define here a simple information. Example, this is my class, and within a class, I'm going to declare few variables. Let me just declare it. So let's see. I'm going to write, let's say I'm having some ID, integer ID. I'm just going to write a random number. And then I'm declaring one more. Let me write, okay, let's say a name. So I'm just going to write a name, string name. And name is, let's say, let me write Sarang. Okay, this is the name of that particular student or that employee, whatever it is. I'm taking one more integer, salary. Okay, salary. So it's like 90,000. Okay, and I'm taking one more information that is all about integer AC number, that is account number. And I'm writing some random, account number. That's it. Now this time, okay, I have added everything like this information, but by default, I have declared everything as a default, correct? Let me do one thing. Let's say I'm declaring here name, which is public. Okay, this employee name, which is public. Now I'm declaring this salary as a private. So this time salaries become private information. Integer IDs become default, remember. And I'm just writing this account number, which should be protected. Okay, so I'm just writing here protected. So just observe the code. The first element I have declared default. Second element, it is public. Third element, it is private. And the fourth element, it is protected. Now you need to just observe the rule. Whenever anything default, where you can access, whenever anything private, where you can access, public and protected, where you can access. Let's see within a class what we can access. Obviously, all these variables are of what type? Instance
Local.
variable. Yeah, there is no such a global concept in Java, right? These are instance variable I have declared. Okay. So if I want to access it, obviously we just need to create object. So I'm going to create protected AM. Let's say P1 is equal to new. Again, protected AM. Okay, object of that particular class. Now what will happen? Once you create an object, obviously with the object reference variable, see what you can access. Can you see you can access this default information ID? Let me do one thing. I will be writing directly print statement so that I can print this information. Okay. So let's see. I can call ID. Now let me call one more. P1 dot, let's say name. Yes, public information also you can access. See, can you access that private information salary? Obviously, within a class only we can access private information. And what about protected? Can we access protected data? See, I can access that account number also, because which is protected, you can access within a class. So all these things we can access within a class, perfectly fine. Okay. Now what is the second rule? We have to check that whether these elements, these elements we are able to call within a same package. So see, my package is form.oop.inheritance package. I'm going to create a separate class here. Let's see, my class name is same package. Everybody focus what I'm writing, okay? My class name is, it is a same package. And I'm just taking here main function. So when you talk about same package, what is the concept? In the same package, I will be directly creating, obviously, the variables are declared in different class, right? So you have to create again object. So I'm just writing protected AM, P1, again new, again object of that particular, that means constructor of that particular class. This time, what you can access? Can you guys tell me, can you access private data outside a class? No.
No.
Salary we can't access, right? Salary we can't access because that is a private. What about others? Can we access default information outside a class, inside the same package?
No.
Yes,
No.
we can.
Yes, we can.
Yes, just focus. We can.
Yes.
You see, within a class and within a same package, you can call it. Outside a package, you can't call. So let's see. I'm still in the same package. Can you see my package name is same, right? So here with the P1, what information you can call? Just observe. You can call default data. Let me again write here, the system out statement. Everybody focus. See, this is the information which is a default. I am able to call default data. Remember. Then within a same package. Obviously, I can call public name, right? The name is available publicly. So I can call this public information also. What else? Within a same package, you can call protected information also. Let's see. I can call account number. And yes, this data is a protected. Remember. But I can't call salary. Let's see. P1.salary. Yes, do we have any access? No. Salary, this is not valid. See, immediately you are getting one red color line here. What Java says that? From the field protected am.salary, it is not visible to this class. That means outside a class, you can't access private information. So this is my private data, right? So I can't call it in outside a class. But within a same package, you can call all these things default, public, protected. Now let me show you what if I created a class in outside a package. Suppose, let's see, I'm going to use this encapsulation package now. Under encapsulation, I'm going to create one more class. Everybody focus. Other package. Let me give a same name, other package. Okay. And see, if you create object of that protected demo or protected, information, let me just go back and let me just copy the name of this class, protected AM, that is access modifier. And I'm creating one more time object, new, again, protected AM. This time, just observe, we are calling this class from different package. So immediately Java will say that, okay, you have to import this class from which package? OOP.inheritance package. See this. If you keep your mouse pointer here, you will get that option. Import protected AM from which package? com.oop.inheritance package. So you guys have to import it. Done. Once the process is complete, now just observe what you can access. Whenever you are calling, the information outside a package, first rule, default value you can't access. Private, no chance, because outside a class even we can't access. What about public? Public you can access anywhere in the class. So there is no problem for public. But the rule for protected is different. Just observe. If I just say na P1 dot, guys, if you observe, you can access only name which is public. You cannot access directly protected. But there is a rule to access protected. See, I can't access default value, right? I can't access even that private information also. I can access only public data. if you create only object of that, parent class. Remember, I mean that protected AM class. So here I can call public information, but see, I cannot call no salary, no chance. You can call that ID also. Can you see? No chance because it is default. So default information you can't access outside a package. Private you can't access. What about protected? See what the rule we have written. Protected we can write or we can call outside a package, but with only what? With only subclass. So we should make a subclass for this class. So I'm having protected AM class now. Everybody focus. I'm having protected AM class now. If I want to call protected method or protected variable from this class inside outside a particular package, I can say in other package or outside a package, then what you have to do? You can call it, but only with a subclass. So we have to provide this relation. See, I'm trying to call outside a package in this class. So here, I just want to make this class as a child class for which class? Child class for this protected AM class. So here, protected data कैसे call करोगे? You just need to write a relation. See, I'm writing here extends. Extends what? Protected AM. This time, protected AM become parent, other package will become child. And you can access from where? Only its subclass. So इस class का subclass है other package. That means I have to create, the object of other package so that I can call protected data. Just observe. Suppose I'm writing O1 new other package constructor. Done. With the help of O1, see what you can access. With the help of O1, you can access that name because that is public. Anywhere you can access. But can you see? You can access now account number also. Got the point? Are you able to see account number here? Okay, let me print it first. See, I'm going to write it inside a println statement. See, I can call protected data. Okay, this is protected data. Let me write protected data outside, okay, of package with only subclass. Are you getting this point? What is the rule? We can call protected data outside a package with only subclass. But here you can't call, see, account number, no access for that. This is the concept of protected. तो मतलब simple rule है. If you have any information which is public, you can access anywhere, okay, in the class, like anywhere in the particular package, within package, outside a package, anywhere. And if you have any default information, okay, you can access only within what? Only within that particular class, and you can access within a particular, I can say, package. Outside a package, default information you can't access. If you remember, this part we have already covered here. Like this table, I have already shown you. Let me just open that. Yes, this one. Can you just observe, everybody, how we can, apply these modifiers? See this. Access modifier we have already completed. And here we can see, like, this is a rule. If anything is private, you can access only within a class. Within a package, outside package, by subclass or by other class, you can't call. If anything is default, you can call within a class, within a package. Outside, you can't call. If anything is protected, can you see the rule? Within a class, allow. Within package, allow. Outside a package, not directly, है ना? But if that class is a subclass of your main class, in that case, it is possible, right? So we did this scenario right now. Other package का हमने object create किया ना? The same scenario. And public है, so there is no problem at all. Everywhere you can access. And this is a demo on the same concept. Got the concept? What is protected access modifier?
Yes, ma'am.
And this we have to cover in inheritance only, because once you aware the concept of class and the object, this will be very easy to understand.